When the sun stands still, the body feels the weight of the climb. My soul lifts tired eyes upwards, searching for the heaven's breath. I have not come this far to faint. I have not walked the road to fall. There is a whisper moving through my spirit. Stand, you are still carried. My knees may tremble, my heart may feel the ache of yesterday, but my hope is anchored beyond what is seen, beyond what is felt, beyond what is lost. God had not forgotten the promise spoken over me. God has not misplaced the prayer that once fell from my lips. Every tear has been recorded. Every waiting season has been counted. So at this minute, this hour, I chose to rise within. I chose to breathe again. I chose to believe again. For the same God who waked me up this morning is the God who will sustain me this day, and I will not faint. I will finish strong. Yes.